Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the settings on our iPhone, because we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the ZEP application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings. In settings, find the Bluetooth option, and once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices. On it, there should be AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro, and probably there should be AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro with the numbers. If you don't see the AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro with the numbers, it might appear right here on the other devices list. If it does, tap on it, then wait for a while, tap on the pair button on the phone, then tap on the checkmark on the watch to confirm, and connect the Bluetooth calling feature basically. So this is gonna be useful for the call notifications and calling from the watch basically. And now for the rest of the notifications, so the app notifications and stuff like that, find the AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro, tap on the info icon next to it, and here you should see the option Share System Notifications. This option needs to be enabled. If you don't see this option, close the settings for now, open the ZEP app, tap on Profile, select the AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro from the list of devices, tap on Notifications and Reminders, tap on App Alerts, and here turn on the app notifications and wait for a couple of seconds. After a couple of seconds, you should see the pop-up about the permissions. If you see it, allow all of the required permissions, and then close the app for now, reopen the settings to make sure that the Share System Notifications option is enabled. So go back to Bluetooth, tap on the info icon next to Cheetah Pro, and here, as you can see, the option is, on my screen at least, it is here, so we can make sure it is enabled. And once it is, we can go back to main page of settings, scroll down, find the ZEP app on the list, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, you can close the settings, and now we can reopen the ZEP application, tap on Profile, select the AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro, tap on Notification and Reminder, and then tap on App Alert. And here you can turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch, and once you turn them on, you will see the list of applications. And as you can see, we have only a couple apps here. And if you want to see more applications on this list, basically after you install the ZEP application and turn on the notifications, and that list will fill in with the apps after you receive the notifications with them. So from them rather. So if I send myself a notification, or rather a message on Discord, and receive the notification from Discord on that iPhone, so it's send the message, we got the notification, we need to close the ZEP app and reopen it basically, and once you reopen it, the Discord should appear on that list. So let's wait, or rather let's check. So Cheetah Pro, Notification and Reminder, App Alert, and as you can see, Discord is right here. And now we can turn on the notifications for Discord. And if you turn them on and receive the notification from Discord on your iPhone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. If you don't turn on the notification for Discord, you will only see the notifications on iPhone. They won't be forwarded to your watch. So if you want to see notifications from certain apps on your watch, you need to basically enable them here. And if they're not on the list, you need to first receive the notification from that app for it to appear on this list. Quite simple. Okay. We enabled the notification for Discord, so I'm gonna go back for now. We can also enable the notifications for incoming SMS, so incoming messages and incoming emails, by tapping on it, tapping on the switch, and same for the emails, like that. Okay, and now we should be able to see the notifications on watch. So I'm gonna send myself another message. It's gonna be some gibberish like this, and as you can see, we got it on our iPhone, and we also got it on our watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.